What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over crypto right now because everyone wants to know when will crypto recover. It's like the most searched thing right now. Everybody's trying to find out when it will recover. Honestly, none of us know when we'll recover. That is the short answer. But what we can do is speculate on what is happening inside the current crypto market. So looking at Bitcoin here, 35K, you got Ethereum at 2,500. You got Binance coin over here at 347, Cardano at 150, Dogecoin at 31 cents. And it's a lot of money circulating in the crypto economy right now. So yeah, 672 billion market cap in Bitcoin. Honestly, the short answer is yes, crypto is recovering sooner rather than later. But let's go ahead and review the things that we have that will tell whether or not we are recovering sooner rather than later. So right, we have this article here, a crypto revolution in Argentina. Remember, we already have a crypto revolution going on right now inside of El Salvador. The El Salvador president has now made crypto a legal tender inside of El Salvador. And now Argentina's economy is prime breeding ground for the crypto world, and the populist promise of cheap energy here is a crypto miner's paradise. So it's paradise for crypto miners, paradise for crypto holders, and even inside El Salvador, that's paradise for crypto holders because all you have to do is invest you gotta invest 3 Bitcoin inside of El Salvador's economy in order to have a permanent residence there. That's about $105,000. I don't know about where it is at right now because we're at 35K. Let's see. This is how much you have to invest inside of El Salvador to have a permanent residency. $105,000, and you can call El Salvador your home. They have less tax hikes over there. They have I don't know if they have a better infrastructure than other places, but I know they have less taxes over there. And I mean, who wouldn't want to live inside of such a beautiful place like El Salvador? They have volcanoes, they have about everything. They have beaches, they have rainforests, they have everything. They have everything. So let's read here. So while Alberto Fernandez hogged the spotlight this week with his racist, no racist around here, but I guess someone over there is racist. So a digital auction held by Sotheby's nettled US $17.1 million selling digital art, blah, blah, blah. They're talking about the NFTs that are selling left and right. NFTs, they go crazy, but NFTs, they play a heavy thing inside of crypto. They're really heavy inside crypto, but I don't really care for NFTs that much. Honestly, I'm more of a crypto guy, and crypto is tied directly with NFTs, but who cares about that? So that article was written by this guy here. Shout out to him for writing that article about crypto. Let's keep going. So we have more stuff that we got to talk about. If you're going to buy cryptocurrency, they're saying this is the coin that you should start with, which is Bitcoin. That's why I say every single coin is tied to Bitcoin. Everything follows Bitcoin. Like if you look over here, you can see when Bitcoin's up, everything else is up. Obviously, for the last 12 hours, Bitcoin isn't up, but Bitcoin has been doing some good things, and everything predominantly follows Bitcoin. It's just the truth. Look over here. I actually had something over here. Okay, Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, safest bet. It is the safest bet, honestly. I mean, I like Dogecoin, I like Shiba Inu, but obviously Bitcoin is the safest bet. But I'm a risky investor. So when I invest knowing that I can lose it all. Literally, my money went from 11K to 1,500 inside of Shiba Inu. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest in Shiba Inu. I make a lot of Shiba Inu videos because I have really high conviction in it, and I really know that Shiba Inu is going to go to the moon, and I'm willing to hold it for the long term. So I don't care about $11,000. Yes, I lost $10,000, but technically I didn't lose $10,000 because I did not sell Shiba Inu yet. And if I hold Shiba Inu for 5 years and it goes up to a high amount, I could possibly have $100,000 compared to $500 or $1 million if I hold on for 5 years. And this is the same thing for Bitcoin. It's the same thing for Ethereum, Cardano, all these cryptos. If you hold on for a long time, you're gonna reap the rewards. But look, every single country is going to hop on this. Remember. All right, so look, we have El Salvador. El Salvador is huge on Bitcoin right now. They literally made it a legal tender. They're trying to get people to move to El Salvador in order to invest inside Bitcoin. And then we have the other thing with Argentina. Argentina is now having Bitcoin, a whole Bitcoin rally. So the crazy things are really going on here. So let's look at this. At El Salvador's Bitcoin beach, they literally have a beach dedicated to Bitcoin. So look at that. There's literally a beach dedicated to Bitcoin. That's crazy. I mean, this is just crazy that this is happening right now. Experts are trying to figure out why Bukele is pushing Bitcoin. Why is he pushing Bitcoin? Maybe because he knows that it could help the economy of El Salvador. Like, if I were the president of the United States, I would make Bitcoin a legal tender because that will help the economy of the United States. But obviously, we have people that do not care about helping the economy. They want to help themselves first before they help the economy. So what do? They spread FUD. They make the price drop. They buy in at the dip, so then they can ride it right back up when they make it, regulated. And that's exactly what the government is doing. They want this for themselves. That's why they're driving the price down. They're spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is a straight fact. We're literally seeing it every single day. Literally, the top people in the world, the top 1%, I don't even say top 10% anymore. It's the top 1%. The top 1% people want Bitcoin to go down. They want all cryptos to go down so then they can buy at the dip. And they want to shake all the weak hands out. Really, this is how the rich get rich and the poor get poor, because the rich, they buy and then they let it dip and then they buy the dip. The poor, they buy right at the peak, it dips, and then they sell right at the bottom. So the rich get rich because they buy low, sell high. Rich are the poor are still poor because they buy high, sell low. And you can see why people are so poor right now, because the second FUD comes around, the second fear, uncertainty, and doubt come around, people sell out the investment because they're gamblers, they're not investors, they don't know much about it. And I'm not insulting anyone, but it's the truth about it. You know, cryptocurrency, not many people know about crypto. So then people who got in crypto, a lot of people that sold out of crypto for a loss knew nothing about the stock market before getting into crypto. And it's definitely good to know about the stock market before you get into crypto. And then you will know that you only lose money when you sell at a dip. When you sell when it dips down, that's when you lose money. That's why you double down when it dips. You buy more in the dip. Yeah, but everybody that's professional with Bitcoin, crypto, all that already knows this. I'm just saying this for the people that aren't professionals with it. The people are just now learning about it, because I was once like that. I was once someone who just now learned about crypto, and you were too. Everyone has to learn. Everyone has to start somewhere. So it's best to start here. Okay, so this says should fall in crypto trading volume concern Indian investors. Remember, crypto is going worldwide. Remember what Shiba Inu, Vitalik Buterin, he donated like $1 billion of Shiba Inu to the Indian COVID relief fund. So him doing that puts a huge spotlight on crypto in general and Shiba Inu. So that's why they're trying to find out, should Indians invest in it? They're trying to ask their people, what do you think? And they even know about FOMO and FUD, and they know that FUD is not the way to go. Fear, uncertainty, doubt, they know it's not the way to go, and that's why they are buying and buying more. So they're telling they said, according to experts, people who are in for quick money may find this market a little shaky, but investors who are in it for the long term are still pretty strong on the market. So that's coming straight from the Indian government right there. So they know what's going on. They know crypto is about to go to the moon, and they know that the rich people are manipulating the prices. Literally, whales are manipulating prices, and it's just what it is. We got to deal with it. But yeah, the Coinbase IPO kicked off a new era in crypto. This is also another reason why Bitcoin and crypto in general is going to recover sooner rather than later, because the whole Coinbase IPO thing is literally in the stock market now. So literally, Coinbase is in the stock market. That means traditional investors have the opportunity to invest inside of Bitcoin and cryptos without actually doing it. So that is a really big thing right there. So them being inside of this is really huge. So another thing, I talked about this yesterday, Thailand bans meme coins, fan tokens, NFTs from trading in crypto exchanges. That's a pretty bad thing that's happening. You know, it's FUD, it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and they don't want their people to lose money, so then they ban it. Or maybe they just want to make money for themselves, so they ban it, and they'll probably unban it after they make an enormous amount of money for it. So I don't know, anything could happen, but that's just what I'm looking at there. Anything could happen with that. Okay, so is there a right way to regulate crypto? And they say, yes, this is how. So cryptocurrency is promising, absolutely promising. Bitcoin regulation in historical text. All right, so before we read that, let's read what ways they're saying to regulate it, right? So they're saying, to the multi-trillion-dollar market capitalization, crypto is truly unignorable. That is true. Multi-trillion-dollar market cap in like crypto in general. Like, look at this. There's trillions of dollars inside of this. So it's undeniable. Like, literally, the whole crypto market is pretty much almost as big as like your biggest companies out there, your Fortune 500 companies. I mean, Bitcoin is almost as big as Fortune 500 companies. I mean, it's bigger than some Fortune 500 companies too. So that's something you got to think about there. So they're saying there are 3 paths to regulating crypto. The first is not to regulate it as much, but given the incredible growth and increasing overlap with traditional financial markets, it is unlikely that regulators will find that path tenable. So they're saying it's unlikely that they'll do small regulations. So they're probably going to do something big. So they say another option is to regulate the industry from on high without deep engagement or consolidation from good faith companies in the crypto space. This way could be perilous and could sacrifice the powerful financial innovation of blockchain that could be harnessed for good. So pretty much they're saying make it centralized between, well-known exchanges like Coinbase, Robinhood, stuff like that. They're saying make it centralized and not so decentralized. So that's not the best option. So option 2, not good. Option 1, good for the people, not good for the government. So they're not going to do that because they don't really care too much about what the people want. They really care about what's going to be best for our government, what's really going to be best for us. And that's the way it is. It's the reality. So the third, and we believe the only true viable option, is regulation that involves ongoing partnership with the industry itself. Many in the crypto industry already see this sort of actually, before I even finish this, look at this innovation-oriented regulation as something that will greatly advance in the industry. Look, this is why I'm telling you the government is literally trying to profit off this before the people. That's why they artificially drop the price by spreading FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt. You literally seen there's literally like American political officials that are talking bad about crypto, making the price drop artificially because they are getting in at the dip. They're literally shaking your hands out, smacking you in your face, taking your crypto and buying it at a lower price as you just now sold at the lowest price possible. You bought at the highest price, then you sold at the lowest price because they tempted you to do it. They spread FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and they made you do that. So look at what it says. Regulation that involves an ongoing partnership with the industry itself. They literally just now said the government is trying to regulate it, so they have a partnership with the industry itself. Do you really think the government is going to let normal people make billions of dollars without them profiting from it? Literally, do you literally think the government is not corrupted? Like, it's obvious that we have corruption in the government. It's obvious. Like, they want money for themselves. Not saying that they don't want other people to get in on crypto, but what they want to do, they want to get in at the lowest possible price so they can make the most profit. They don't really care if you make much profit. They want to make the most profit at the lowest possible price, which was $29,000 that it just dropped down to. Bitcoin literally just now bottomed out. And then people sold at the bottom because they know nothing about crypto. I mean, I can't blame them. Can't blame them if they don't know anything about it. They sold at the bottom. They thought it was going to keep going down. But no, we bottomed out literally, and we're in consolidation. Like when you see something trade sideways like here, look, trading between 30,000 and 40,000 for literally the last month. This is consolidation, and this is what happens right before we have a major breakout. So crypto is literally about to go up huge, and all the paper hands are just selling out. And really, it's all because of the regulations here, the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And whenever the regulations come through, I mean, look, the government is not going to regulate it to the point where you can't invest in crypto. What they're going to do is they're going to regulate it to the point where we're going to have to pay more taxes on it. They're going to have regulations to how much you can buy, how much you can sell, how much you can profit. They're going to do stuff to where it's 100% regulated. Because think, when you're on Robinhood, go ahead, go on Robinhood and then try to buy about $1 billion worth of any stock, really any stock. Go on Robinhood, try to buy $1 billion worth of Amazon, see what happens. They will never let you buy $1 billion worth of Amazon. Actually, they have a limit of how much really you can buy on Robinhood. Really, they have a limit on almost all different exchanges for the stock market. There's a limit. Unless you deal with a broker directly yourself, there's a limit. And the only way to really deal with a broker directly yourself is to be in the 1%. And like I said, the 1% rule the world, and this is how it's going to go. Bitcoin regulation in historical context. They're literally saying that they're really making a history. They're really making history trying to make a law so then they can regulate Bitcoin, regulate crypto. I mean, it's disgusting what they're doing, but really we can't really fight it. All we got to do is invest the best we can and profit the best we can. So let's read 3 common crypto misconceptions debunked. So let's see these 3 common crypto misconceptions that they have here. So misconception number 1, cryptos are for illegal and criminal dealings. That's definitely a misconception. It says while cryptocurrency can be attractive for criminals, crypto-related crime fell significantly in 2020. So even though criminals can use it, the crime dropped in 2020. So that's big. The research notes that while in 2019, criminal activity represented 2.1% of all cryptocurrency transaction volume, or roughly $21.4 billion worth of transfers in 2020, the criminal share of all cryptocurrency activity fell to just 0.34%. So it was 2.1%, but now it's just 0.34%. So now really people aren't using it for criminal activities anymore. So it really is not used for criminal activities. The government tells you that because that's what they want you to believe. They will literally tell you what they want you to believe, and people will believe it because people are sheep. I mean, it's even inside of the Bible that people are sheep. I mean, come on. People really are sheep. Everyone follows the leader, and the government's the leader. So people following, not insulting people. I'm just speaking the truth. But let's keep on going here. No more propaganda. So cryptos will be outlawed. Governments will put an end to them. Governments will never put an end to crypto because they know the only way they can truly profit off it to have the people in it. They know they need your weak paper hands. They need you to put money in at the peak. So when it's at the peak, they can sell their money out and it drops. Then you sell your crypto. They buy in when it drops at the lowest price. And then you're like, oh, wow, it's going up. It's going up. You buy in. As soon as you buy in, they sell out. And this cycle keeps going on and on and on. That's why they're not going to ban people from getting cryptos, because they know they can slap you in your face, take your crypto, and then there's the end of the day. And then they do it again once you buy more crypto when it goes back up, because they just bought more. And they're like, oh, he's buying back in. Let's go ahead and sell it again and make the price go down artificially again. So when it drops again, they go ahead, boom, and buy more. And now you're looking sad because you just now sold your crypto for a cheaper price. And they literally just now flooded the whole market with $1 trillion just so then they can artificially raise the price. It's truly disgusting what is happening right here. The FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You could literally look this up anywhere and do your own research and see exactly what's going on behind the scenes. So cryptos are complicated. Crypto is not complicated at all. All right, so saying crypto is complicated is like saying the US dollar is complicated. Like, it's not complicated at all. You have banks, you have the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve prints money, the banks receive the money, we go to the bank, we put our money in, we receive our money whenever we need it. It's that simple. And then when you think about Bitcoin, you have exchanges, you have miners make the Bitcoin, and just like the Federal Reserve makes money, miners make Bitcoin, and then the exchanges are the banks. The Bitcoin goes into the banks from the miners, hence the Federal Reserve, and then the people go to exchange and they get their money. I mean, it's really, really, really simple. Like, crypto is not complicated at all. I think that was the most simplest thing that I could have said, like the most simple thing that you can just ever think of. Crypto is not complicated at all. So China's crypto mining crackdown spreads to southwestern Yunnan media. So yeah, China has been cracking down on crypto. So feel bad for the people out there who are just getting destroyed inside the crypto market. But yeah, it's the world we live in today. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is not propaganda. This is just the truth of what's happening inside of the crypto market. Crypto is going to go up because the government wants to go up. Crypto is going to go up because the top 1% wants it to go up. Crypto is going to continue to rise because the richest people in the world want to make more money. Do you not think the richest people in the world want to make more money? Like, let's go over here and look at the top wallets for all cryptos. Even looking at the top Dogecoin wallet, look at this. The top Dogecoin wallet literally has 28% of all Dogecoins. It's $10.1 billion. They do not sell it at all because they just want it to go up, 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 and up. Rich people want to make money, so they invest in things that make them money, like crypto. Look at all this. This is billions of dollars here. This is literally billions and billions of dollars just chilling in crypto. Just these millionaires and billionaires just chilling. Like, look at this. Like, and you can see a lot of them, they buy in but they don't sell out, and a lot of them, they buy in just for a little bit and then they sell out. You know, it's really simple right now. But look, this whale right here lost $100 million literally in 3 days, but they don't care because they did not sell, so they technically did not lose. So everyone that sells at a loss, you're just I don't know what to say. But I'm not selling my crypto at all. But honestly, if you need the money directly, if you need it for something like bills and stuff, I completely understand if you sell out. At that point, I would recommend you sell out because you do not want to be overextended. You do not want to put 100% of your money in one thing. You always got to allocate your finances into different locations. Make sure you diversify, you know, maybe 10% in the stock market, maybe like 5% in like crypto, you maybe get some real estate, you know, just kind of diversify yourself. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video.